Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crack Your Cat. Today, we solve a beautiful circle problem using the product of chord segments. Let's get started. Look at the figure on the screen. We have a circle, and inside it, there is a chord of length 4 units. A line segment is drawn from the chord, going straight down, perpendicular to the chord, all the way to the circumference of the minor segment. This line intersects the chord exactly in the middle. So, the chord is split into two equal parts each of length 2 units. Let's call the point where the perpendicular line touches the chord as point M, and the point where the line touches the bottom of the circle as point A. So now, segment MA is a perpendicular from the chord, extending to the arc. Now, here's the key step. We will use the product of chord segments rule. In a circle, if two chords intersect, the product of the segments of one chord equals the product of the segments of the other. Here, line MA intersects the chord PQ at right angles and extends to touch the circle at point B. Let's assume point O is where the perpendicular from the center meets the chord. Now, we are using point A at the bottom, point O in the middle, and the chord of length 4. Since the line divides the chord into two equal parts, each part is 2 units. Using the chord product rule. Segment AM times segment MB equals segment PM times segment MQ. Let's say the unknown portion of the long segment is x units. That is, the part from the midpoint up to the top of the circle. So, 2 times 2 equals 1 times x. That means 4 equals x. So, the length from the center of the chord up to the arc, that is, AO, is 4 units. Now here's the final step. Since the perpendicular segment from the chord passes through the center and continues to the top of the circle, the total vertical length from the bottom of the circle to the top is the diameter. That is 1 unit from the circle to the chord, plus 4 units from the chord to the arc, which makes a total of 1 plus 4 equals 5. So, the diameter of the circle is 5 units. Which gives us the radius of this circle equal to diameter by 2, that is 2½